Welcome to your next challenge entitled Find the Bomb. Create a function that finds the word bomb in the given string. If found, return duck. Otherwise, return there is no bomb, relax. The notes are that bomb may appear in different cases, upper, lower, or mixed. See the examples? We have the input there is a bomb, so we said duck because of the last word. Second example, hey, did you think there is a bomb? Again, ends in bomb, so say duck. And in the last one, it only says this goes boom. There's no occurrence of the word bomb, so we give the safe message. There's no bomb, relax. Pretty straightforward. You can see they give you a hint here. They're saying rejects. That's definitely the road I'm going to go, and I'm going to use things that we've seen in the past, but we like that repetition that reinforces these points. So let's go to code. Pause the video now, knock this one out. You know how to do this. Okay, going to go into the solution. I mentioned that I'm going to use regular expressions. So I'm going to bring in that library. And then we have that one issue where the text could be any sort of case. To simplify that, I'm going to make a local variable here called lower, and I'm going to set that to text to lower. We know string has a to lower method that will make all the letters lowercase. And then we can use the rechecks class. We know it has a match method. And that method takes your input, which in our case, don't do what I was about to do. I was about to put the original input text. We want the lowercase letters because it's going to simplify my pattern. Since I'm going lower, I can simply type out bomb in all lowercase, and that's good enough. That greatly simplifies the pattern. And then we know that match returns a match object with a success property if it was successful. So we can return that it was successful, but we're not, remember we need a string at the end. They had two messages for us that they wanted us to use. This might be a little bit overkill here, but I'm doing it because I want to. Let's call it danger text. And we'll call that duck. Oops. And then let's make one called safe text. This is nice because I don't like just random literals strewn through code, so-called magic numbers or magic phrases. And I think this one said there is no bomb, relax, but we'll find out if I did that one wrong. So now at this point, right, we know whether the pattern matched or not. And use our ternary operator. If it did, we want the danger text, right? There's a bomb present, so give the danger text, else give the safe text. And provided I type that out right, I got this library in, I think we're good here. Give it a run. Cool, all the tests passed then. So yeah, pretty simple once you get these regular expressions down. There was a little potential pitfall there with the casing. Hopefully you accounted for that. And then otherwise, yeah, I mean, what a simple pattern to match. And it's just as well if you took this text and put it right in here, or if you wrote it out as an if-else statement, no worries there. But I think the regular expressions class was a good one to use here. As usual, hit me up with questions, comments, solutions. Otherwise, we'll keep going to the next challenge. Thanks.